number of confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
Panic spread worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the latest vaccination tests have failed.
With the bureaucrats out of power, we can finally take the necessary steps.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated forest. Riots have continued for a third consecutive day, and winter rations are...
Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. So man, is it a strange time to be alive right now. I'm not going to talk too much about this pandemic because I'm sure that's all you guys have been hearing about for the last couple of weeks and months. So let's just escape this quarantine together and go explore some nature. Alright, so we're here by the lake now. This is actually my third spot. I've been kicked out of 2 conservation areas prior to coming here. Everything is locked up, which makes no sense to me because we're out in nature. There's no one around me for kilometers, but it's beautiful. Hopefully we don't get kicked out here. Let's shoot some B-roll and just enjoy this nature a bit. That was super cool. That little bird tried to fly up and land on my lens. But anyways, there's just one thing I wanted to mention regarding this whole pandemic, and it's more related to the news and media, and you are what you consume, right? So if you're consuming fearful and negative media 24/7, your reality will become fearful and negative. So by all means, it's good to stay informed and on top of things, but sometimes you need to put these down. You need to disconnect from this terrible reality we're living in right now. Dwelling in it isn't going to do anybody good, especially for yourself, right? You're going to fall into a deep hole and everything's just going to become negative. So my number one suggestion is to, if possible, go out in nature, stay away from everyone else, but try and breathe, get some fresh air, work out if possible, take up something creative. Yeah, just try and stay occupied during these crazy times. So let's get back into nature, walk around for a little more and enjoy some fresh air. Alright, so I actually just left the area by the lake and got back home. My house actually backs onto a forest, so I decided just to hop the fence, keep the venture going a little bit longer, get some fresh air, shoot some more content. But yeah, this is actually my childhood home. This is where I grew up. I spent a lot of time in these woods, hanging out with my friends and whatnot. It's a special place to me, so let's go for a little stroll. Damn, I completely lost track of time being out here. I've been out here for about like 4 hours now. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Just a couple things I wanted to end on. I just hope you guys stay healthy and wealthy during these tough times. Please try and keep your mind occupied, stay busy, active, and we'll get through this. One thing I want to mention as well, I'm gonna be uploading weekly now, so it's gonna be a bunch of music videos, vlogs, and other creative content. So please leave a like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. Take care and stay safe, guys.